Robotic Process Systems Incorporated, your process automation supplier, has been in business since 1985 and occupies 20,000 square feet of modern buildings in Liberty Lake, Washington. Robotic Process Systems, RPS, is located approximately halfway between Spokane, Washington and Coeur d'Alene, Idaho on Interstate 90, an easy 30-minute drive from the Spokane International Airport. The RPS 200 robotic work cells are the perfect process system for most industrial applications. RPS also produces custom automation systems that are uniquely configured to perform a variety of specialized processes. For a quotation on a system, our sales department will provide a quotation request for engineering. The quotation request contains relevant information such as types of parts, how they are packaged for presentation, process to be performed, production rates, system interface requirements, materials employed, acceptance criteria, and all pertinent information. Engineering then prepares a budgetary quotation which briefly outlines RPS approach for the customer's review and comment. If the customer concurs with the RPS proposal, a definitive fixed-price quotation is prepared and supported by drawings, illustrations, productivity estimates, and milestone schedules. There is usually a modest fee for this effort that also serves to qualify the customer. This fee is credited against any forthcoming purchase order for the item. RPS prides itself in fully understanding the nuances of the customer's process prior to undertaking the system quotation and design. Regular one-on-one meetings are held with our customer's technical staff to assure a process-capable system and a thoroughly satisfied customer. RPS maintains a well-equipped laboratory for assisting the customer in developing their particular process and assessing those process results. Once the customer has placed an order with RPS, the sales department prepares a work order that is routed through engineering, operations, and material control for sign-off. Engineering assigns a product manager responsible for product design. This design engineering project manager holds a preliminary design kickoff meeting with the supporting engineering staff. The customer is encouraged to be involved with the project at all stages of development to assure that critical system parameters are not overlooked. After the final design review and approval, the project manager will work with operations to prepare a detailed milestone schedule that reflects the design and build plan. Engineering then releases bills of materials and drawings to material control for purchase of system material requirements according to a planned production schedule. RPS uses a sophisticated software program called Shop Floor for material and production control. This program includes cost collection and has a full MRP capacity. RPS has a fully facilitated machine shop and limited sheet metal capability to support quick reaction fabrication of custom automation systems. Electromechanical assembly is performed by trained technicians to the highest of workmanship standards. Technicians work from drawings, schematics, wire diagrams, and production aids. Workmanship and safety standards are in accordance with OSHA, NEMA, UL, and Martin Marietta. RPS software engineers work in a language called C++, ladder logic designs for PLCs and custom microprocess applications. The completed product is thoroughly tested at a module level and then tested at a system level. Once RPS internal testing has been completed, a customer acceptance test is performed with the customer present. At this time, there is a full documentation review including drawings, schematics, and manuals. Training in maintenance and operation of the system follow the acceptance test. Equipment is then crated for shipment, usually by air ride if domestic, and per customer instructions if international. RPS technicians and engineering staff routinely support all installations to assure a timely and successful result. Once the installation is complete, a second training session usually occurs, and the customer may then commence to run process. RPS ensures product support for the customer throughout the useful life of their system. RPS is there 24 hours a day to provide process support, machine enhancements, reliability, and service. For our international customers, RPS typically maintains inventories of spares on consignment with our factory-trained representatives to assure, in the unlikely event of a system failure, that your downtime is kept to a minimum. The RPS 200 is a 3-axis servo-driven Cartesian robot suitable for many applications. 2 additional axes of motion are available in the end effector, not including other optical accessories. The system is designed to perform high speed, high acceleration, and coordinated moves with excellent positioning accuracy within the large envelope. The large work envelope may also be expanded in modules of 35 inches wide by 50 inches deep. The robotic head will handle loads of 40 pounds and up to 100 pounds with options. The system is controlled via an embedded 486 IBM compatible PC with an 80 megabyte hard drive that controls all machine motion and functions. The standard system provides for 48 digital inputs and outputs, and 22 analog inputs, and 10 analog outputs. This makes it easy to interface various process modules, feeders, offloaders, test, and inspection systems, and so forth. The work cell includes sophisticated software for controlling the system. When developing the script, the teach mode allows the operator to jog to a position and assign a location name in that program. The operator may also turn off and turn on motors, valves, solenoids, and other functions as required. Standard motion scripts and icon assist are provided, or the user may generate their own scripts through a menu-prompted system in plain English commands. Once the script is completed, the process may be simulated using the graphical animation feature shown. And finally, the operator may single-step the process, line by line with the robot to verify the program is correct. Data logging software in support of statistical process control is an option many customers specify. RPS has an inventory of standard end effectors available. These include fixed and rotary units that accept RPS standard solder dipping and lead-attached tooling, and fixed and rotary vacuum end effectors that can handle large quantities of parts and grippers. In addition, specialty end effectors are available to support the system. The RPS 200 easily accepts a variety of load and offload subsystems such as bowl feeders, tube-to-tube, reel-to-reel, tray, box, conveyor, and combinations thereof. Custom feed systems are also available for your unique applications. Custom tooling is designed to support the system. The tooling, of course, varies with the part, production needs, and type of feeder employed on the system. RPS has a full inventory of standard process modules. These include wash, rinse, drying, solder baths, reflow, flux, preheat, vision inspection, lead forming, and lead trim. Custom modules for unique applications may be designed and integrated into the system. Nitrogen is used to inert solder baths and solvent cleaning stations, and when heated, it is used as a reflow method. RPS vision experience includes the application of optics and lighting of camera-based systems used in lead inspection, parts identification, and orientation. Gauging LED-type systems applied to lead inspection, and laser-based systems for mapping profiles to fine tolerances. The XYZ Cartesian drive system features powerful 400-inch-ounce servo motors. Each of the servo motors are closed-loop controlled through a digital signal processor board. Encoders on each motor read 4,000 lines per revolution. The drive system is of a rigid box construction that is very robustly built for large loads and accuracy. The drive system features Thomson stainless steel guide rails and precision machine lead screws and nut assemblies with anti-backlash protection. The X-axis is unique in that the lead screw nut is driven, which prevents whipping of the lead screw at high speeds over long distances. The Z-axis has 4 precision guide rails inside a solid box construction for very high accuracy and rigidity. The RPS 200 frame is a steel weldment that has been powder coated, as are the heavy plate aluminum panels attached to the weldment enclosing the frame. Transparent doors, interlocked with a system to inhibit operation when open, complete the enclosure. The work envelope can vary from 4 feet to 12 feet in the X-axis, 2 feet to 6 feet in the Y-axis, and 6 inches to 24 inches in the Z-axis, while maintaining an accuracy of plus or minus 1/1000th. RPS systems are designed to meet the safety requirements of UL, OSHA, NFPA, and NEMA standards. The doors are interlocked with guarded pinch points. All wiring and utility services are labeled and color-coded for easy maintenance of the system. RPS provides complete documentation with this system, including setup, maintenance, calibration, software, operation, and diagnostics. The manuals include schematics, vendor information, and illustrations. The RPS 200 is a perfect system for most industrial applications, such as lead attach, lead tinning, lead forming, selective soldering, cleaning, coating, assembly, and inspection operations. The system can be operated as a standalone or an inline system. RPS also produces custom automation systems that are uniquely configured to perform a variety of specialized processes. The system may incorporate conveyorization, spherical robots, specialized feeders, and end effectors to produce the optimum process result. You will find that when you select Robotic Process Systems as your automation supplier, whether you select the standard RPS 200 or a custom automation system, it will provide years of continued customer satisfaction. For more information, please contact Robotic Process Systems, Automated Solutions for Process Control.